So your first steps are going to be to turn off the power to the UV bulb and then undo the weatherproof cover. If you're just replacing the UV bulb, you don't need to turn off the water to the system. The UV bulb's sitting inside a quartz glass tube, so there's no water in that tube. If you are changing the filters in the UV bulb at the same time, you will need to turn off the water and the power to the pump. Make sure you're wearing gloves when you're replacing the UV bulb. This stops your fingerprints from getting on the bulb. Fingerprint residue on the UV bulb can prevent the light from getting to kill the bacteria in the UV chamber. So I've put my gloves on, so what we're going to do now is we're going to take the bulb out. So just over here we take off the black cover. The bulb's just sitting in there. All we need to do is just pull the cable up and that will pull the bulb up. No water's going to come out or anything like that. It's encased in a quartz tube, so it's fine. And we just take the bulb out. Just unplug the bulb. The next step is just to remove the new bulb from the package. So just take the end caps off. Just watch out it doesn't fall out. That's the bulb there. So just push it out. Just grab it by the prongs. Put a couple of protective covers on it. And that's the new bulb. So we're just going to connect the bulb. So we've connected the bulb to the ballast, so now we're just going to carefully put that back inside the tube. It's just going to go all the way down to the bottom, and there's a spring at the bottom. You feel it hit the spring. And just put the cover back on. And now we'll turn the ballast on. So we've plugged the ballast back in. It's now reading 365, so that's a countdown for days. So in a year's time it'll need replacing. Green light's going, so it's all good. If the ballast doesn't reset, just push the silver button and hold that down for 10-15 seconds. So when this counts down, it's going to get down to about 7 days and it's going to start to beep. It'll be a horrendous beep and really annoying. So that gives you an idea that it needs to be replaced. The red lights here just next to the green one will flash red as well. So when you're done with replacing the bulb, you can just close the weatherproof unit and just light it.